Dear student, welcome to Lakas Public School and College online class. I hope everybody okay and everybody stay in your home. Okay, dear student, today I will discuss with you another structural questions from chapter 8. My structural questions is the price of 7 tennis ball is 406 taka. The average price of first three balls is 58 taka and last three balls are 55 taka. Number A questions: what is the average price of the balls? Number B, what is the price of fourth ball? Number C, difference between the total price of first three balls and last three balls is the average price of 10 pence. What is the total price of 10 pence? Okay, now I will try to solve number A questions. What is the average price of the balls? From stream we know the price of 7 tennis ball is 406 taka. So it is very easy to find out the average price of the balls. We divided 406 by 7, then we get the average price of the balls. Okay, at first I write down given that the price of 7 tennis ball, the price of 7 tennis ball is 406 taka. Okay, so we find out the average price of the balls. So right, the average price of the ball. The average price of the ball is 406 divided 7 taka. Okay, when we divided 406 by 7, we get 5 shata 35 shata 56 58 taka. So we find out the average price of the ball is 58 taka. I hope everybody understand and it is very simple for you. Okay, now I will try to solve number B. What is the price of fourth ball? Number B, what is the price of fourth ball? আমাকে এই fourth ball price find out করতে হবে। So from stream we know the average price of first three balls is 58 taka. So at first we find out the total price of first three balls. Okay, given that the average price of first three balls, the average price of first three balls is 58 taka. Okay, so we find out, so we can write the total price of first three balls is 58 into 3. The quantity of balls is 3, so we multiply 58 by 3. 4174 taka. Okay, so we find out the total price of first three balls is 174 taka. Now we look from stream we know, and last three balls are 55 taka. Last three balls are 55 taka. So we can write the average price of last three ball is 55 taka. So we can write the average price of last three balls. Last three balls is 55 taka. 55 taka. So we find out the total price of last three ball is 55 into 3 taka. So we find out 165 taka. Okay, we find out first three balls, the total price of first three balls and the total price of last three balls. Okay, first three balls and last three balls, it will be 6 balls. First three balls and last three balls, it will be 6 balls. So we can write 3 plus 3. That means first three ball plus last three balls, or 6 balls total price. 6 balls total price is 174 plus 165 taka. So you can write 9 339 taka. Okay, first three balls and last three balls, or 6 balls total price is 339 টাকা। আমাকে প্রথম তিনটা বল এবং লাস্ট তিনটা বলের মূল্য কত পেয়েছি? 339 টাকা। So it is very easy to find out the price of fourth ball. The price of fourth ball is, so you can write the price of fourth ball is, we can write 7 tennis balls price is 406 or 6 tennis ball price is 339 taka. So we find out fourth ball price is easily 406 minus 339 taka, or 767 taka. Okay, this is answer. I hope everybody understand. So we find out the price of fourth ball is 67 taka. It is very simple. I hope everybody understand. Okay, number C. Number C, difference between the total price of first three balls and last three balls. Okay, so we need to help number B. First three balls price is, from B we know what we get, from B we get first three balls price is, first three balls price is 174 taka, and last three balls price is 165 taka. Okay, the difference between the total price of first three balls and last three balls. What is the difference? Difference between the total price of first three balls and last three balls. So difference will be, so you can write difference between first 3 balls and difference between the total price. Difference between the total price of first 3 balls and last 3 balls is 174 minus 165 taka, or we can write 9 taka. Okay, the difference between the total price of first 3 balls and last 3 balls is 9 taka. According to last 3 balls average price of 10 pence. According to questions we can write, দেখো আমাদের এখানে কি আছে, প্রথম তিনটা এবং লাস্ট তিনটা বলের যে পার্থক্যটা আছে এটা হলো কি, the average is the average price of 10 pence, মানে 10টা কলমের গড় মূল্য এটা ছিল. So we can write according to the questions we can write the average price of 10 pence is 9 taka. So we can write the average price of 10 pen is 9 taka. Okay, what is the price of 10 pence? So we can write the total price of 10 pen is 9 into 10 taka equal 90 taka. Okay, so we find out what is the total price of 10 pence. The total price of 10 pen is 90 taka. Dear student, I hope everybody understand. এবং তোমরা কি করবে, প্রিভিয়াস বোর্ড কোশ্চেনগুলো অবশ্যই কি করবে, সলিউশন করবে, এবং কোন প্রবলেম হলে বা কোন সমস্যা থাকলে আমাকে ইনফর্ম করবে. I will try to solve your problem. Thank you everybody.